Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's dive into the wonderful world of traditional living room design. Traditional style is like a warm hug for your home, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that never goes out of style. It is all about embracing classic elements that stand the test of time, making your living space feel timeless and elegant. Now, you might be wondering how to bring this timeless charm into your own living room. Don't worry because I have got a covered. In this video, I will share 5 simple ideas that anyone can use to transform their living room into a classic retreat. From color choice to furniture arrangement, we will explore easy to implement tips that will elevate the coziness and sophistication of your space. So let's get started on creating the traditional living room of your dreams. When starting to design your traditional living room, think about the paint color first. Choose warm and welcoming colors like soft, creamy, or classic. These colors creating a cozy atmosphere that is perfect for relaxing. Next, consider the importance of texture. Traditional design loves texture like polish, area rugs, velvet, and embroidery through pillows. These textures add a depth of coziness to the room, making it feel inviting and comfortable. Mixing different textures together can create a harmonious looks that is visually interesting. By paying attention to paint colors and texture, you can create a traditional living room that is both stylish and comfortable for you and your guests to enjoy. In traditional living room, conversational sitting is all about making it easy for people to chat and feel comfortable. Imagine arranging your furniture in little group of cluster instead of all facing one direction like a movie theater. The setup help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Key pieces like a soft sofa and couple of armchairs and a coffee tables play a big role in this arrangement. They are like the main characters in the sitting story. The table sit in the middle, bowls, drink, snacks, or even board games for everyone to enjoy. So when you are playing your traditional living room, think about how you can arrange your furniture to encourage conversational and connection. In traditional living room design, timeless patterns play a big role in creating a cozy and charming atmosphere. Think of patterns like floors, strips, and plates as the classic elements that never go out of style. You can use these patterns on things like upholstery, curtains, and accent pillows. By adding these patterns to your living room, you are adding visual interest and a touch of traditional elegance. To take your traditional living room design up a notch, consider adding elegant accent. Picture brass candlesticks, crystal vases, and beautifully framed artwork. These items add a sense of sophistication and refinement to your space, making it feel even more special and inviting. Lighting play a big role in making a traditional living room feel just right. You want it to be cozy and inviting. So here is what you can do. First, mix different types of lights. Use overhead lights like ceiling fixtures for overall brightness. Then add table lamps and floor lamps for softer, more intimate lighting. These layers of lights make the room feel warm and welcoming. Also choose soft warm light bubbles instead of harsh one. They give off a nice gently glow that perfect for relaxing. When your living room is well light. With the right kind of light, it sets the mood for comfort and coziness. So don't forget to pay attention to your lighting when you are decorating your traditional living room. Finally, I want to say thank you for watching and invite you to subscribe for more home design inspiration. We will be shared plenty of tips and ideas to help you creating the perfect space for you and your family to enjoy.